In this video, you will see heavy rain near Gympie becomes the perfect storm for a dangerous caravan incident. A truck towing a caravan collides with another truck, causing a chain reaction that could have been deadly. The reality is caravans are far more prone to swaying in bad weather. Drivers need to take extra care when roads are slick and visibility is low. Always slow down in these conditions. A dramatic dashcam video shows a car and caravan veering dangerously into a truck, narrowly missing another vehicle in the Fraser Coast region. Police are now warning all drivers to be extra cautious, especially as families head out for the holidays. If you're towing a caravan, it's crucial to understand its limitations. Take a defensive driving course, be mindful of your equipment, and ensure your tow vehicle is up to the challenge. Your safety is in your hands. A truck carrying over 11 tons of goods tips over while navigating a road, spilling its load in a disastrous mess. Remember, obeying weight and size limits on roads is crucial. Overloading can lead to dangerous situations, so always be mindful of how much you're carrying. In Bundaberg, Australia, a dangerous caravan driver leaves a trail of destruction, running red lights, slamming into cars, and evading police on the busy Hume Highway. The chaos he caused could have ended in tragedy. Always stay calm, drive responsibly, and never try to outrun the law. It's not worth the risk. In Dallas-Fort Worth, quick lane changes are causing chaos on the highways. A split-second decision to avoid missing an exit can lead to catastrophic results. The lesson here is simple. If you're in a rush, don't risk your life for a missed turn. Just take the next exit. It's a much safer option. In Moscow, Russia, a reckless lane change on the M2 highway goes terribly wrong. The driver of a car veers into another lane, colliding with another vehicle, causing a mess. Fortunately, no one was seriously hurt, but this is a perfect example of why we need to respect the rules of the road and stay calm in stressful situations. Now, let's take a trip to the hills of Elagiri in India, home to some of the most jaw-dropping, hair-raising roads you'll ever see. The drivers here have mastered the art of handling their vehicles on these narrow, winding paths. Their skills on these treacherous roads are truly something to behold. Watch closely as they take on these insane twists and turns like seasoned pros. This video is one you can't miss. A truck in Russia uses impressive braking power to avoid a near collision with a woman who was too careless pulling into an intersection. The fact that the truck was going uphill helped the driver react quickly and saved her life. It's a sobering reminder, always double-check intersections, even when you have the green light. One bad decision can cost you everything. In an incredible twist of fate, a truck in Ukraine is forced to swerve as a van collides into it head-on. The crash is catastrophic, leaving a huge hole in the truck and sending the van spinning into a crumpled heap. The driver, shaken but conscious, surveys the damage with complete bewilderment. It happened on the morning of August 28th in the village of Malushi, Ukraine. The two vehicles collided unexpectedly, leaving a scene straight out of a disaster movie. In May 2022, An explosion shook the morning air as a dump truck collided with an ODOT vehicle on I-77 in northeast Ohio. The resulting fire was intense, but what was truly heartwarming was the way passersby rushed to help the drivers. In a world full of chaos, it's moments of kindness like this that restore our faith in humanity. These heroes deserve all the respect. In South Los Angeles, a dark SUV stalled on the Harbor 110 freeway without hazard lights on. Unfortunately, an oncoming car couldn't stop in time and crashed into the vehicle, causing a fiery explosion. The lesson here? Always make sure your vehicle is visible to others, especially when stalled on the road. It could save your life. In Miami-Dade County, a car goes airborne, flying right over a pool during a crash. How fast was the driver going to lose control like that? Fortunately, no one was hurt, but this is a perfect example of why reckless driving is never worth it. Always drive with caution. Folks, no need for speed when your life's at risk. In Brooksville, a car is suddenly propelled off its path by some unforeseen force, crashing into a residential home. The damage left behind is astonishing: broken windows, collapsed walls, and even pieces of the roof caved in. This is a grim reminder that we need to stay focused on the road to avoid sending our vehicles off course and into unintended, dangerous places. Dashcam footage catches the moment a caravan crashes into the front of a truck after clipping its head. The caravan loses control and narrowly avoids oncoming traffic. This is just one of many examples of how dangerous caravans can be on the road. Always adhere to safety protocols when towing these heavy vehicles and never underestimate their potential for disaster. In the icy roads of Leon City, New York, a semi-truck driver captures terrifying footage as his vehicle loses control on Route 14. The slick, frozen surface sends the truck into a spin, highlighting just how quickly weather conditions can turn a calm drive into a perilous situation. This is your reminder: always stay prepared and cautious when winter weather strikes. Imagine this: a caravan crashes into the roof of a gas station. The driver couldn't see well enough to avoid the collision, and that's because of a common blind spot with caravans. If you're ever driving a caravan, you must be incredibly cautious. Check your visibility, be aware of your surroundings, and avoid rushing. Don't let blind spots turn into blind accidents. Holiday traffic turns into a nightmare when a luxury motorhome catches fire on the M1 Pacific motorway. The occupants manage to escape, but the Winnebago burns out of control, rolling across the highway and blocking the road for miles. This is a stark reminder of how quickly a dream vacation can turn into a disaster. Always be prepared and have a fire extinguisher on hand in case of emergencies. It's a high-stress situation when a fire truck racing to respond to an emergency crashes into a cement barrier. In a rush to save lives, the crew ends up in a situation where they need rescuing themselves. It's a tough reminder of how even rescue vehicles face unexpected challenges, making us all aware that no one is immune to road dangers. What a ride! From ice-covered roads to encounters with wild elephants, today's video shows us the unexpected ways danger can appear on the road. We hope you learned something new today, whether it's about safe driving or the incredible power of human kindness. If you enjoyed this wild journey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more heart-pounding and inspiring content. Stay safe, and we'll see you in the next video. End screen with a call to action to like, comment, and subscribe.